Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you 2 fun preschool and kindergarten activities that you can do with an ocean theme. Welcome back to a new theme and a new set of videos. So this is video number 1 on our ocean theme. I'm going to share with you 2 activities that you can do with your preschoolers or kindergartners to incorporate some fine motor skills into your classroom lesson plans or just to do at home. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and do that now. The first activity is to make a puffer fish with a balloon and markers. I would suggest using a permanent marker as the other washable markers might not stick to the balloon as easily. The first thing you're going to do is blow up the balloon, twist the end, and close it off with a clothespin. This allows it to be decorated without it being tied at the end. Once you're done decorating, you can let the air out and the kids can have fun making the puffer fish blow up and go back down. The next activity is great for fine motor, and it takes just a little bit of prep work. This is a weaving activity. I just use construction paper and regular colored paper to cut out the different shapes for this weaving activity. The kids can work on their fine motor skills by weaving it in and out of the different strips of paper. I hope you enjoyed those activities. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed those activities, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this on different themes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.